Hello guys, Duran/Lawrence Wayne here, and I'm just giving you a quick demonstration of the game engine. Now there's no animation in this example, but it's kinda half supported. It's like find and replace support, so I could replace all object ID 5 with 6, and 6 with 7, and 7 with 5. Then give like the illusion of a animation, but it does slow it down. So basically, this little guy over here, which is kinda hard to see, follows wherever I put the little pointer to this maze that isn't too hard to navigate because of the resolution. You can like easily see the whole maze at a glance. But for a game, you could say you could start here, and then you can only see like a small radius around you, and as you move through the maze, more and more of it becomes visible, like the areas you visited. The engine does have support for that. You can have a level loaded without showing it, and then you can slowly render the level as you go through it. But well, there's not much to it yet. But well, following and level editing is working. I'm not showing it to you, but you can actually edit the level with by touching the little blocks and making them appear and disappear. Support for 256 different objects and a dynamic grid size. So this is 24 by 24. You can make it 32 by 32, 16 by 16, but it has to be like the same number. It can't be 32 by 64. It has to be 64 by 64, 32 by 32, for reasons involving how the thing calculates touch and a whole lot of other stuff. So that's the game engine. Just reboot it because there's no way out of that app. Another thing I've been working on is the command prompt here. As you can see, that's where the keyboard went into, finally a use for that thing. I'm also going to let apps use the keyboard, obviously, for text entry or like naming files and whatnot. So the end command is very hard to see because of the small font I use, so you can actually see the text. Exits. And so here are the two files. That's save.dat is the level that I was kind of just playing, and sprites are where the little pictures are stored. So I'm just going to demonstrate a command prompt option. First I need to find out something. Images logo.raw. So what this does, probably won't be able to see this much. Well, images, copy images logo.raw to pic.raw in the root directory. So if I now push enter, to be a little progress bar, because it doesn't copy files instantly, depending on the size, of course. Pictures are usually massive files. And then copying is the most interesting thing I can do right now. So here it is, 85 kilobytes. It may not sound like much, but that's 85,000 bytes, more or less. And there we go, that's a perfect copy of images logo.raw. Exactly the same file, so it's a copy, obviously. There are some more commands like mkdir, and then I'll make a directory. and subdirectories. You can also delete folders and files to the command prompt. So here's the folders we just made. There's nothing inside, of course, but you can copy files into there and whatnot. Currently it's all through the command prompt. It's currently there's mostly debug commands that wouldn't interest you, like memory free, mem free, and stuff I just want to test without breaking the GUI here. I know this is labeled apps and that's labeled edits. I'm gonna change that eventually. So what else was there to show? I guess that's about it. One more thing, that foo bar sort of thing. It's like the theme of the whole OS, this little bar at the bottom. It's also going to be present in the file manager. So you can like copy files, move a file, delete files or folders. Like little buttons at the bottom for that. So you don't have to open command prompt for everything. But it's currently there mostly for debugging. So not that you really care, but it's there for those Linux lovers. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my progress. On a slightly sadder note, school is starting soon for me, so that means development is going to go a lot slower. And I know seems to be going a lot slower now as well. That's because the game engine kind of took a while to make and debug and other stuff like preparing for school. So I do hope I can still make tons of progress. I'll try my best. And I'm also starting to document the language. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoy my progress, and bye.